What would you do if you wanted to know when your dog was going to give birth? Well, you can count out the days when you think she was last bred and figure out about 63 days. Or you can take an ultrasound to make sure she's pregnant, do a pregnancy test, or radiographs can help you determine exactly how the puppies are and how many there are and when she's going to give birth. In order to take radiographs, we have to stretch her out on an x-ray table and take x-rays. And we take two views, one from the side and one from the called the VD view, and then we look at the x-rays to see if we can figure out how many puppies there are. We usually find the spines and the heads and count the heads, and sometimes the gas and intestines and food will cloud some of the fetuses. So we usually ask that dogs are fasted, but that doesn't always happen. You can see here on the VD view, there's one big head and spine there. So as you can see, I have any red marks on there where I've been counting the fetuses. So I measure and try to get the number of the puppies there are and how big their heads are. The more puppies are, the smaller they are, and usually the easier they fit through the pelvic canal. And you can see those four white dots are the milk accumulating in the mammary glands because calcium's radio opaque. I use a chart like this, and you can see down low where the pelvis and ribs are mineralized at 54 days, and that's what we can see on the x-ray. We can take a look at the x-ray here, and we can see that there's pelvis and ribs and spines, and the heads are outlined by the calibration markers. So that's how we figure out how many puppies there are, how big they are, how many days they are, and how many days left till the bitch can whelp. Of course, the signs of whelping are always a lower temperature and signs of labor, pushing, and so forth. But this is a good way to kind of determine if the bitch is pregnant, how many days it will before she whelps, how many she has in there, what you can expect as far as the numbers and how big the heads are. Now, the size of the heads doesn't always accurately predict the size of the pelvic canal, but we want to know if there's one big puppy with a huge head, so we can expect that maybe she might need a C-section. Anyway, if you have a chance, check out Dog Dish Diet. Um, I have a couple books there, Dog Dish Diet and Feed Your Pet to Avoid the Vet. And also a new book's coming out called Dog Diet Answer Book. Have a great day.